All right, I'm gonna go over a different method of a reverse roll. I don't even know what to call it. So again, this is something I learned from one of the guys from Ultimate Window Tint over in Orlando. We go and spray it down just so we can knock out any static cling or anything like that. Spray it in the air, try to get any dust down out of the air. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the whole thing, liner and all. And I'm gonna fold it from left to right, and then roll. What I like about this, what I don't like about like a reverse roll, is that at the back end ends up getting wet, like the back of the film ends up getting wet. This method here, that's not the case. This method here, the back of the film stays dry. The adhesive side stays wet, but the film side stays dry, so it gives you grip to hold on to, so you can slide it down. Sometimes when you do a traditional reverse roll, the film side and the adhesive side, they're both wet. So like it's hard to kind of get a grip and slide it down. So it's easy to walk into, especially with my small garage. Here, I'll go ahead and wet the back. Gonna put it inside and just open it. I like to keep the left side here. It sounds like I didn't even put enough water. It sounds like it's tacking a little bit. But as you can see, you can open it up real nice. Spread it out. Just like that. Might be a nice alternative for those guys that do like to do reverse rolls. You short guys or females that don't like to do Frankensteins. Alright, and that's it. And now here, you just squeeze it like normal.